How to upload album on TuneCore. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload album on TuneCore. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to tunecore.com. And if you haven't signed up for TuneCore yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. Now before that, going back in here, if you don't know, TuneCore, it is an online music distribution service that empowers independent musicians, artists, and bands to distribute their music to various digital music platforms worldwide, in which it allows artists to release their music on major streaming services, download stores, and online music platforms without the need for a traditional record label. And aside from that, it offers a way for musicians to reach a wide range of audience and monetize their music without the need for a traditional label or music distributor. And now, to sign in on this platform, just click the sign up now button below here and you will be directed on this page. And all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information such as your name, email address, your password, select your country, and after that you will be directed in here, in which the next thing that you need to do is to simply select or choose the plan that you prefer. We have here pre-plan, rising artist plan, breakout artist, and professional plan. But in those options, I'm going to choose the free plan. So kindly click the get started button right here, and you will be directed on this page. And from here, you will see on the top panel some of the options that you can navigate. And to start uploading an album, just click Add Release button on the top right corner and select album, in which upon clicking on album, you will be directed on this page. In which from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information or field, starting from the album title. So just enter here the title of your album. And after that below, you could also choose the main artist by simply clicking this Add Artist button right here. It will show you a pop-up window, and all you need to do is to enter the artist name. So let's say I'm going to enter here my username and just proceed by clicking the continue button, and after that, the artist name will be searched on Spotify, and if there's no result, you can choose either please provide link or even create a Spotify page for me. So I'm going to choose this one, so can I click on it, and after that, by clicking this button right here, you will be directed also on the Apple Music, and you can choose either please provide link or create Apple page for me. And after selecting your choices, just proceed by clicking this button below. And after that, you will see here that the artist or the main artist has now been added. But if you also want to add additional artists, you can do so by simply clicking Add Artist button and also doing the same process. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you can also choose the language that you prefer and also select the genre that you prefer. And for the primary genre, I'm going to choose country, while for the secondary genre, I'm going to choose Americana. And aside from that below, you could also set up or schedule the release date to a specific date that you prefer. And one of the tips that they provide is that to set your release date 4 weeks from today to give you stores time to review your release. Now moving on, under these advanced distribution features, you could enter here the label name, the recording location, but both of them are just optional. So if you're now done customizing or filling out all of the required information, just proceed by clicking the Save Release and Add Songs button below. And after that, you will be directed on this page, and from here it will show you all of the details that you edit on your album, but currently it is incomplete. And below here, you can complete the step such as by adding the social platforms, but there's already a platform that is automatically selected. And aside from that, under the Beatport, you could also select this one, which is unlimited distribution to Beatport, in order to release your music on the premier streaming and download service used by DJs and electronic dance music fans. And now to add music or add your song, just scroll down below here and under the songs, just proceed by clicking this Add Songs button right here. And after that, all you need to do below is to enter the title of this song So for instance, I'm going to enter here the first song, which is called or title Illuminate. While below, you are also required to enter the songwriter name, which is at least one songwriter is required for this song. And below, it will show you that the artist has now been automatically default. And aside from that, under the copyright ownership, just simply select your answer, either yes or no, to their question, is this a cover version of another song? And also under the additional information, just also select your answer to their question, does this song have explicit lyrics? And any other additional information that is also required to answer. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you that you can even enter the lyrics of your song. But that is just only an optional. And now to proceed, just click save and add another button if you also want to add another song. So for instance, I'm going to choose to also add another song since this is the album. And to proceed, just go back under this song and also just enter or fill out all of the required information as we did earlier, but this time with a different song and also a different song title. While for the songwriter, I'm just going to enter here the same songwriter as I did or enter on the first song. And after filling out under the song, all you need to do is to scroll down and also answer the question yes or no to the question under copyright, ownership, and also additional information. So below here, I'm just going to select no. And after that, if you are now done adding song, just click this button below here that says I am done adding songs. Then you will be directed on this page, in which from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply upload a stereo or your music file from your computer files. So kindly click this button right here and just select on your computer files the music for your album. And after that, all you need to do is to wait for it to completely uploaded. And after successfully uploading a stereo, the next thing that you need to do, if you scroll down below here, is to add your album artwork or your album cover photo. And by clicking edit artwork right here, you could simply select or customize one of the cover art templates that are available in here. And as you can see, there's a variety of album art that you can choose, or alternatively, you can upload from your computer files. However, on this part, I'm just going to choose the customize or cover art templates that are available in here. So kindly click the cover art templates that you prefer, then you will be directed in here, in which it will show you what your album look like, and you could also customize using the editing tools below. And now, after saving this artwork of album, we will be directed on this page, and as you can see here, the status of our album under the details is now ready. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you could also choose or add store by clicking this button right here. And after that, below, it will show you some of the available option of store, including iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Music, and many more. But as you can see, currently I'm using a store automator, which will check this option to automatically send the release to all new stores we add in the future. And now to proceed, just click this distribute with plan button right here. Then just click checkout button, and after that, after upgrading your plan, you'll now be able to upload or release your album. So that is just how you can upload album on TuneCore. Thank you.